UCAS Clearing is the process in which, once a student has received their A-level results, they are able to make decisions if their grades aren't what they hoped for. UCAS Clearing is also available for students who haven't accepted their university place, or did not manage to get their application sent off in time, or have even changed their mind. Remember to keep an open mind when viewing the course and university vacancy list. You may feel disheartened, but this is the time to pick yourself back up again. Universities clearing vacancies are posted on the UCAS and other clearing websites on A-level results day. It is important to act fast as they do fill up quick. You can begin to call universities as soon as you have your results and have found the right course and university for you. It is best to call them so you can sell yourself. Really get to know about the course and university and accept the offer verbally should they give you one. Something to keep in mind is having your personal statement to hand so you can refer to it during your phone call with the university. To accept an offer, you will need to enter the course details on your UCAS account via the track section. The university will give you a deadline to do this by. UCAS will then inform the university that you have done this. The university will then formally accept you and confirmation will appear in the choices section of track. UCAS will also follow this confirmation up with an official letter confirming your place on your chosen course at your chosen university. If for some reason you are not formally accepted, the Add a Clearing Choice button in track will be reactivated and you can add another choice from the clearing list. The answer is yes! We can help you through our 999 last-minute university decision service. Click the link in the description below to find out how.